Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, I'm making a mushroom au gratin potato casserole. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I've already started peeling some of my potatoes. These are russet potatoes that I'm peeling, and these russet potatoes is what I'm going to be making with my casserole here. Okay, I have a block of smoked cheddar. This is going to be great with this mushroom casserole potato dish that I'm making. And I'm just like slicing as thin as I can on this board. Okay, I got a teaspoon of butter, 1/3 cup of milk going on the stove. As it's melting, I'm gonna add my smoked cheddar in there. I chop my smoked cheddar up into small blocks. And I'm just gonna put that all in here and let that slowly melt and get nice and creamy. Got a can of cream of mushroom with herb. Okay, it's just a little thick and a little bit more milk, maybe a teaspoon or so until it gets kind of lucified. Okay, now I got a can of melted cheddar cheese. So I'm going to add some melted cheddar cheese to this dish, this wonderful dish. I'm going to mix it all together. A little Parmesan cheese in there, just a little. Okay, I've rinsed and I dried my potatoes. And this is what I'm looking for, so you know, about yay thick. I say it's about maybe about an inch thick. In my glass dish or any kind of dish you want, I'm gonna spray some nonstick spray. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of butter. I'm using my little dish here to go around. Okay, remember all that good sauce. I'm gonna take a layer of this sauce and I'm gonna layer the bottom right with that butter. I'm gonna layer that because I'm gonna need it because I don't want my potatoes to stick. This is gonna be in layers with this sauce. And I'm gonna lay these potatoes down here. Just do a roll of potatoes. Oh, that's really thick. At the bottom, let that cook the most because it's at the bottom. So to really get all that good heat. A little pepper. Don't forget, guys, this is gonna be in layers. I got some chives here. Just a little chives to give it that beautiful flavor and a little something something when you get ready to eat it. You go, what is that? Yeah, that's great onion. Okay, then I got some cheese. I got a triple cheese here. It's all cheddar. It's got 3 different cheeses, and you got Vermont cheddar, you got sharp cheddar, and you got the mild cheddar. I'm just gonna sprinkle over. A little of that. I want a little of that sprinkled over. Make sure it gets on every little potato there. After we do this, before we do the sauce, don't forget, we gotta throw that cheese on there, and then we're missing the sauce. Okay, I got some aluminum foil because the only reason why I'm putting aluminum foil over it, I don't want the cheese to burn on my casserole. Guess what, guys? This is going to be a delicious casserole. Right after you check it for at least about 20-25 minutes, go in there and check it. Depends on how your oven is. So if you got an oven that you think that cooks really fast, check it every 15 minutes. Just stick a fork in it. Make sure it's bubbling. And if those potatoes are going through really good and that's all done, you take it off, turn it back off a little bit and let that cheese melt, get nice and pretty, and then it's time to take it out, let it rest, and get ready to have a delicious casserole. Okay, 350 degrees in a nice hot oven. Don't forget to cover it so you don't burn your cheese because it's going to take those potatoes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook through. If you cut them like I tell you, it won't take as long as a baked potato, I promise. And here is my mushroom au gratin potato casserole. And I hope you all enjoy it because I know I am. I'm going to dig in here and get me some of these potatoes and this great cream sauce. And look, see how the potatoes stay real thick and just like I wanted them? And this is what I'm talking about. Hey, guess what? I didn't cook this alone. You and me, we did this together and we can do plenty more. So please come back next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.